up my calendar. Way back trying to find me a day one.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a new video today. I'm with my boy Cody Carpenter. Got my bike right here. We're gonna be riding the 125. I'm gonna clear up some confusion. I know there was some confusion about me not riding for Fantic anymore, which is not true. I'm still riding for Fantic in the US. I just got an opportunity to go ride a beta over in Europe. There was no betas around here that I could practice on, so I just got on a YZ 125. But basically today we're gonna be going and just practicing some Endurocross on the 125er with America's favorite Endurocross rider here. Cody, are you America's favorite Endurocross rider?
I don't know if I would say so.
My dad says you are.
Oh, well, Big Thunder's always right.
What are we gonna be doing today, bro?
I think we're running motos. I think we're just gonna go slow.
Little motos, little practice. Try not to crash in the mud.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be a little greasy.
That'd be so funny if you just wanted.
We're just gonna get out there like the first thing, just die.
That'd be
just
funny.
Like the front end goes in the first corner and you're just covered in mud the rest of the day.
That would suck so bad. That happened to me yesterday.
I would be so mad.
Ooh, it's freezing.
Bro, this kid is annoying, bro. He's got a freaking electric start. Get
Ah.
out. I have to kick mine.
I can't reach the Kickstarter, I'm too short. I have to have an electric start.
That's kind of sad. Yo, track's looking prime. Maybe a little muddy. I'm not gonna be the first one to crash, so it's alright.
I'm not the first one that goes out there. You are, bro.
No, bro.
No, you're the one that invited me. You guys said it was gonna be good, okay?
It's prime. What do you mean, bro? It's prime. Oh.
We're good.
America's favorite Endurocross rider.
It is pretty cold.
So Montana, typically there's snow right now. Not quite today, but it has been raining a ton. So I came out and disked everything up. Got some nice ruts forming in.
Endurocross on a 125. Pro versus Joe. Our Joe is America's favorite Endurocross rider, Cody Carpenter. Cody here just got into Endurocross. He's got the heart, but he's still learning.
I'm just here for a good time.
We're both on a 125. Best lap out of 2 laps wins $5. All right, best 2 out of 3 on rock, paper, scissors here gets to go second. Oh, I gotta go first. All right, lap 1, go.
That was pretty terrible. I know I can do faster than that.
Yeah, this guy's talking trash. Let's see results here.
What'd you think of your lap 1?
It was pretty good. I think I could get this corner and this jump better. Maybe swing around this a little better, but everything else was pretty good. The start was pretty bad. I was just spinning, but other than that, it's pretty good.
All right, you think he's gonna be within 5 seconds?
Nah.
All right, little guy, you ready?
Oh yeah, let's go.
All right, what'd you think after that lap?
That was pretty good. I don't know if it was 5 seconds good, but it was pretty good.
Actually, not bad. If he can fix up this, he might be close, but.
I know I'm gonna beat you this time.
All right, we wanted Cody to go send these doubles. Didn't quite make it, didn't have the camera out.
Second lap. Let's go.
He got over this a little smoother. He attempted to hit the double, so it's improvement, it's good. He was within 4.8 seconds of me, so I'm gonna have to go maybe do some gnarly stuff to keep my position here and get my $5 back, so.
Yeah, buddy. That was way better. Good luck, dude. You're gonna need it.
All right, lap 2, let's get it. was pretty clear that I won that one, but definitely not really what I wanted. Wasn't really clean. Got like etchy everywhere. Was like freaking Ronnie Mackin, but got her. So on to the next 125 challenge.
Challenge 2. We are doing a no doubt wagon wheel challenge, but it is slick. She is greasy out here.
I haven't been on a Charles bike in a while. Cody's been on one like non-stop this winter season, so we'll see. He should be better at this than me, so.
Should be better, but will I? Will I really?
All right, rock, paper, scissors, number 2.
Might be the only thing I win today.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
That was pretty mediocre. I can do better.
No dabs though.
No dabs. That is good, but it wasn't very stylish.
We're going for style and no dabs on this slick stuff.
All right, I'm gonna be trying to hit a little double line. It'll be harder because I'm gonna have to 180 pivot with the no dab, so. Got the no dab double disc. Went in there, it was a little slick. Kinda wanted to dab, but didn't, so that was good. Next try, I'm gonna try a little Billy and Johnny line, so this will be interesting.
Something very similar, but hopefully better.
That line's so ball sack, dude.
You like ball sack.
Why would he hit that line? He went in literally every mud puddle there is in the Billings, Montana. That's ridiculous.
I think that was better. You guys?
Bro did not know dab that.
He one dabbed it, but
Bro Chacho did not one dab.
You suck. Like, I just whooped you in whatever that was. I'm America's favorite Endurocross rider. I knew I could beat you.
All right, we're tied 1-1. This is our 3rd challenge. It's gonna be the balance beam.
Paper, scissors, see who has to go first of the balance beam of death. You ready?
Yep. Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What the?
This man's gotta go. Go get at him, boy. I got this. Do
Got the dub, let's go!
Kale got the W on today, but we'll be back. Don't worry.
He still got a win against me, which I wasn't expecting. Hey, good job, bro.
Thank you. Good job to you too.
Thanks everyone for watching the Endurocross 125 challenge. We're heading to Germany for the 2nd round of Super Enduro. Make sure you guys go over to Revive Motoco, get yourself a KW47 shirt to support us going to Super Enduro.